the patient's own cells to form a Band-Aid patch in the case of an injury. These are just a few of the hundreds of investigations currently being conducted aboard the orbiting laboratory in the areas of biology and biotechnology, physical science, and earth and space science. Advances in these areas will help keep astronauts healthy during long-duration space travel and demonstrate technologies for future human and robotic exploration beyond low Earth orbit to the Moon and Mars through NASA's Artemis program. Dragon is currently 679 meters away from the International Space Station. We're looking for it to cross the approach ellipsoid. That's that second milestone and that invisible line around the station that protects it for 24 hours if the spacecraft were to lose control to or from the International Space Station.
To the station on 2 for VIP conference.
Go ahead, Farmer.
Yeah, hey, I was just trying to get an update on overall plan here. I assume we'll be using the ATU for comm, and then what's the latest on video?
We are working on a downlink right now. Do you have one routed?
I'm in Columbus, so Columbus camcorder.
Okay, we're routing it now, and you are correct. We'll use ATU.
Copy that.
After Dragon crosses the approach ellipsoid, joint operations will end and will wrap up coverage, and responsibility for the vehicle is handed back to the SpaceX flight control team in Hawthorne, California. 788 meters away from the International Space Station currently, looking for it to cross the approach ellipsoid in just a few minutes. If you're just joining us, you're watching live coverage of the departure of Cargo Dragon from the International Space Station. Today at 10 a.m. Central Time, the undock command was sent. Cargo Dragon had a successful undock at 10:05 a.m. Central Time as Dragon and the ISS was flying 259 statute miles above the South Pacific Ocean off the coast of Hawaii. Dragon has crossed the keep-out sphere, and next immediate steps are looking for Dragon to cross the approach ellipsoid. Dragon is scheduled to deorbit tomorrow and enter the Earth's atmosphere, making a final splashdown off the coast of Florida around 1:53 p.m. Central Time.
Dragon is outside the approach ellipsoid on a 24-hour safe-free drift trajectory. Goodbye to Dragon. Thank you for all the supplies and science. We're looking forward to your return to Earth.
Copies all, and congratulations to the team on the successful SpaceX 25 mission.
And you just heard confirmation from Capcom, or Capsule Communicator, Michael Ellsworth, to the crew aboard the International Space Station that Dragon has indeed crossed the approach ellipsoid. You heard NASA astronaut Jessica Watkins give congratulations and a successful mission for CR-25. Dragon has crossed the keep-out sphere, and next immediate steps are looking for Dragon to cross the approach ellipsoid. Dragon is scheduled to deorbit tomorrow and enter the Earth's atmosphere, making a final splashdown off the coast of Florida around 1:53 p.m. Central Time.
Dragon is outside the approach ellipsoid on a 24-hour safe-free drift trajectory. Goodbye to Dragon. Thank you for all the supplies and science. We're looking forward to your return to Earth.
Copies all, and congratulations to the team on the successful SpaceX 25 mission.
And you just heard confirmation from Capcom, or Capsule Communicator, Michael Ellsworth, to the crew aboard the International Space Station that Dragon has indeed crossed the approach ellipsoid. You heard NASA astronaut Jessica Watkins give congratulations and a successful mission for CR-25.
Station Houston on 2 for Farmer. Hey, if that pink light is bothering you, we can't turn it off, but you can put something up to cover it up if you need to.
You don't think it brings out the blue?
We were commenting, you do look good in a pink light.
I figure with all the color I've lost since I've been up here that actually adds a nice hue.
We copy. You can do whatever you need to with it.
I'm liking this VCTV thing. It's kind of cool to be able to see you guys when I'm talking to you.
That's a firm.
Cargo Dragon had a successful undock at 10:05 a.m. Central Time as Dragon International Space Station was flying 259 statute miles above the South Pacific Ocean. Dragon is now confirmed out of the Keep-Out Sphere and the Approach Ellipsoid, and this will wrap up our coverage for today. Thanks for joining our live coverage of what's going on about 250 miles above the Earth. We're signing off now. This is Mission Control, Houston.